Hello everyone, welcome once again. I am Jyoti Tiwari here again with next lecture video for you. Let's continue our chapter reproduction in organism. In previous video we have studied about asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. We have generally studied there the difference between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Now I am going to discuss about types of asexual reproduction. In various type of organism, there is different type of asexual reproduction processes taking place. Means organism give birth to new individual or give rise to a new offspring by different asexual reproduction process. These processes are called fission, budding, plasmatomy, sporulation, fragmentation, vegetative reproduction. We will discuss them one by one. Let's take one, fission. Okay, let's start discussion about fission at first. So what is fission? In fission, organism body divided into two or three, okay, and there is formation of new offspring. So it is of two types, binary fission and multiple fission. In binary fission, organism body, example, just let's take an example of amoeba, okay, amoeba. Let's take an example of amoeba. So at first there is duplication of nucleus into two. After that duplication, when nucleus divided into two, there is cytoplasmic division taking place. See the line here, cytoplasmic division taking place, and after cytoplasmic division there is formation of two daughter cells, okay, two daughter cells. Because here nucleus is divided into two, that's why only two daughter cells are forming here, and it is called binary fission. Now come to the multiple fission. What happened in multiple fission? Let's take another example of Euglena. In Euglena there is formation of cyst. There is formation of cyst in outside of the Euglena body, and in this type of division, nucleus divided into many numbers. Okay, there is multiple division taking place in the nucleus, and there are formation of multiple daughter cells. There is formation of multiple daughter cells taking place. Okay, and let's take another example of multiple fission. It is in amoeba. Okay, in amoeba multiple fission is also taking place. Okay, so here see, there is formation of cyst. Here again cyst form outside the body of amoeba. Okay, amoeba is generally a single cellular organism. Okay, keep it in mind. And in this division also, see that this nucleus is divided into many number. Okay, and after that these nucleus are after getting little bit mature, generated outside, called multiple daughter nuclei or multiple daughter cells. Okay, multiple daughter cells. So these multiple daughter cells after some time mature and form a new amoeba body, new amoeba organism. Okay, so let us discuss more difference between binary and multiple fission. In binary fission, this process generally occur when there is favorable condition, there is favorable environment and appropriate amount of food, so that the nucleus divide only two times or only one time. Okay, nucleus divided into two only one time. But multiple fission occur when there is unfavorable condition, so that nuclei divided into too many numbers. Okay, and here cytoplasmic division taking place, but here cytoplasmic division is unequal. It is not necessary that cytoplasm divide every time in every division. Okay, keep it in mind. And its example are amoeba paramecium, its example are Euglena and amoeba, and there are many more examples. I will continue this chapter in next lecture video. Thank you.